How to set up a driver profile with Google built-in, Part 1. Setting up your driver profile, including your personalized settings with Google built-in, only takes a few moments. Start by tapping the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap Add a Profile, and then tap OK in the pop-up dialog box. This will restart the system, activating the new profile. Tap your preferred language and tap Set Up Profile. Scan the QR code with your smartphone and follow the instructions on your phone to set up your My Mazda app, or tap Next to skip this step. You can always set up your My Mazda app at a later time. Name your driver profile and tap the blue check mark. Now that you set up your profile, you will be prompted to review and set up Google's Terms of Services and Privacy Policy. Review and accept Google's Terms of Services and Privacy Policy. Ensure you turn on Google Assistant, as this is what will allow you to control your infotainment, climate, and front row comfort controls by voice. You can now customize your profile, including Google Assistant and apps, as well as set your driver personalization features. Tap Done for Now to skip this step. If you choose to skip this step or you do not yet have a Google account, you can always customize your profile later.